Dear VTU students, welcome back into my channel again. Hope you are all doing well. Those who are having backlogs in elements of mechanical engineering subject code is BEME103 or 203. So this video is for you. Here are some super important questions by which you can easily pass this particular subjects, okay, for your makeup examination. Let's discuss here one by one the super important questions. Here is the model 1, where the questions are: explain the emerging trends of mechanical engineering in manufacturing and automotive industry. Next is explain the types of steam, enumerate the advantages of superheated steam. Next we have sketch with a neat sketch, explain the functioning of a tidal power plant and also functioning of a hydel and solar power plant, right? Next we have discussed the role of mechanical engineering in different fields. Explain the formation of steam at a constant pressure using the enthalpy diagram. Next we have some small definitions over here. It may be 10 marks question. Quality of steam, degree of superheat, sensible heat, latent heat of vaporization, dryness, and dry and wet steam. Next we have model second, which is a passing module. You have to go through these questions. Try to practice for the sketches much more than theoretical portions, okay? Sketches are important for this particular subject. Explain with the sketch the principle of a taper turning by swiveling the compound rest. Next we have with suitable sketches, explain the following drilling machine operations like drilling, boring, countersinking, counter boring and reaming. Next we have what is the principle of milling. Sketch and explain end milling, slot milling and plan milling. Next we have with the help of a block diagram, explain the components of CNC. Explain with neat sketch turning, facing, knurling and thread cutting. Okay, this is all about model second. You can easily grab 20 marks from this much. Next we have model 3, with the help of a PV diagram, explain the working of 4-stroke diesel engine. Define air conditioning with a neat sketch, explain the working of a typical room air conditioner. Next we have write the desirable properties of a good refrigerant, list the applications of refrigeration. This is frequently asked question. Next we have listed the 4 commonly used refrigerant with their boiling points and differentiate between 4-stroke petrol and diesel engine. Last question from the model third is with a neat sketch, explain the working of a vapor compression refrigeration. Next we have model 4, briefly explain the following gear drives with the neat sketches: helical gear, worm gear and rack and pinion bevel gear. Derive expression for, this is super important question, derive expression for length of belt in open belt drive system. With a neat sketch, explain the principle and working of TIG welding, MIG welding and oxyacetylene gas welding. Okay, these are super important ones. Differentiate between soldering, brazing and welding, and if you are convenient, go through the compound gate train problem. Okay, this may be 7 marks question. Next we have model 5th, list and briefly explain the components of a hybrid electric car. And next we have enumerate the advantages and disadvantages of electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles. Next we have with a suitable sketch, explain the types of robot joints. Explain the application of robot in material handling. With suitable example, explain the concept of open and closed loop system. And last we have with the help of a line diagram, explain the working of electric vehicle over here. Okay, so these are all super important questions. You have only one night left now and few hours of this particular day, so make sure you will go through these important questions and try to clear the elements of mechanical engineering in this makeup examinations. I wish you all the best for your examinations, dear. Make sure you will share this video to all your batchmates who are having backlogs in this subject. Thank you.